Every sales rep knows that they want to avoid the price conversation. And the best way to avoid the price conversation is to sell on value. The problem is, it's one of those phrases that people intuitively understand, but when it comes down to actually executing it, it becomes rather difficult because the perception of value is unique to the individual that you're speaking to. If you're speaking to somebody in an economic or financial position, you need to be able to communicate the economic value of your solution in a way that matters to them. The second challenge is that sales representatives struggle with quantifying the value of their solution. If salespeople are not able to talk about how their product helps improve the critical metrics that their client is striving to improve, they're less likely to win. Top performers today are able to communicate the value of their unique capabilities and demonstrate the economics of why their solution is the best fit for their customers. So how do you solve the problem? Sales representatives need to be smarter in terms of how they extract the unique value with each capability and align it to the right individual. Think about who you're getting ready to go speak to and what that particular person would experience if they didn't have that capability. By doing that, you'll find that your product has value in a very specific way. In addition, sales representatives must identify the critical metrics their customer is striving to improve and provide quantifiable metrics to demonstrate their value. So how can Ignite Selling help? Well, we offer a program called Ignite Your Value, and it focuses on identifying who those key influencers are, what their critical needs are, and how to align your unique capabilities to those needs. Then equally as important, how do you quantify that value in a way that is useful and meaningful to the customer that you're speaking to? This program offers a set of tools that teach sales representatives how to think critically and how to resolve problems around value.